Hi everyone, Letty here. Welcome to hashtag N2S March 24. This is a not too shabby shop hot bang giveaway featuring the new March releases. I'm going to do the March 2024 sheetload of cards. Welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. So today I am going to bring to you some new releases. I have the Paper Pad Club, the coordinating add-on ephemera pack, and the stamp and die set of the month, all from Not Too Shabby. Let's start with the Paper Pad Club. So it comes with two paper pads. The first one's called A Walk in My Garden. It's a 6x6 double-sided 12 design paper pad. Really cute. You've got some cute subtle, like almost pastels and real calm, tranquil colors, A Walk in My Garden. Then we have a second one that's called Spring Watercolors. This one is also really pretty, really calming. I really like the calming effect of both of these paper pads this month. So these are going to coordinate great with just about anything. So those are the Paper Pad Club. Then there's also an option to do an add-on ephemera pack, and this coordinates with the A Walk in My Garden paper pad. Look how cute this is. I'm going to include a still shot of all the items that come in that ephemera pack. Really pretty fences and birdhouses and plants, florals, hats, lots of fun there. Then we have the stamp and die set of the month, and this one's called My Garden. What I love about this is you've got lots of really great sentiments, and then you also have lots of really great images. So you've got some gardening items, some spring items, floral images, lots of really great images here, great for this time of year. Then we have the coordinating die set, and what I love about this is you can die cut all of the different words and phrases, is not only just the images, but also those words and sentiments. So really cute, versatile stamp and die. So we have the Paper Pad Club, the add-on ephemera, and the stamp and die set of the month, all from the Not Too Shabby Shop. New releases for this month. Let's go ahead and dive in. So I'm going to give the hop and giveaway information in just a bit, but first let me show you, this was one of the previous projects that I did. I will link a previous tutorial video on this at the very end of this video. You can check that out if you haven't already. Today's project is the March 2024 sheet load of cards. And so this is from Call Me Crafty Al. Alicia puts this out every month. She just asked that you be a subscriber to her channel. I'll link her channel down below so you can get access to this. And so I've already made several cards off camera, I believe 5. We're going to do the 6th one on camera today. While I talk about that hop and giveaway, I already cut all of my paper. I added some enamel dots and some ephemera. I added a little piece of white cardstock on the inside with some stamped images. I colored them with alcohol markers, added some scraps on the inside as well. Again, I'll walk through how to make this one card. We'll start from start to finish, and I will also give you the hop and giveaway information in just a second. So I have an A2 mat that I'm putting on the inside, 4 inches by 5 1/4. I did some basic stamping. I have my paper mats all ready to go, as well as my layering mat, a scrap for the inside of the card, a sentiment, a piece of ephemera, and my A2 size card base. So the way that I'm going to assemble this is I'm going to add this A2 mat on the inside and then add my scrap to the side. So plenty of room to still write a little message on the inside. Then on the front, I'm going to layer first this square piece of paper, giving a 1/8 border all the way around. Then I'm going to layer the smaller piece. And again, all those dimensions will be on the sheet load, which you can get from Alicia's channel. And then I have the 2 layering mats here for the rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and glue those together, layer them right in the center of my front part of the card. I will add a sentiment, I will add a piece of ephemera, and then I'll finish it off with some enamel dots. So these are the enamel dots that I brought out today. This is Fall is Coming collection, also from the Not Too Shabby Shop. I thought the colors went really well with this paper pad collection. So that's how we're going to assemble this card today. Let's talk about the hop and giveaway. So it is a hashtag driven hop. It's going to be hashtag N2S March 24. You'll basically click on that hashtag and then subscribe, like, comment on all the videos, give us some love, and then click on that giveaway link. That'll be linked down in the description of all of our videos. That's how you enter. And then the giveaway will run from the 10th through the 16th. The prize is a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby Shop. So such an awesome prize. You can definitely get some of these items with that prize. And the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby community feed here on YouTube. So make sure you are subscribed to Jamie's channel as well, and you can get notified if you are the winner. So again, there's a hashtag, subscribe, like, comment to the videos, and then make sure you sign in through that giveaway link. That'll be linked in all of our videos down in the description box. There's the N2S March 24. There's an additional hashtag, which is N2S Full Bloom, and that is also specific to some of these projects from today. So there's my card. I'm going to finish it off with some enamel dots. I like to just put 3. I think that the 3 number is pleasing to my eye, and so I've added 3 of them, just in a little triangle shape. And that's our card. So again, this was the Paper Pad Club, the Add-On Ephemera, and the Stamp and Die set, all from the Not Too Shabby shop for this month. Today's project was March 2024 sheet load of cards. I did get inspiration from Alicia's sketch here. I'll link that down below. I did not put the white piece of strip cardstock along the bottom with the sentiment. I just added a die cut sentiment that I had gotten from that Stamp and Die set. So I had also stamped some of the images on the inside as well as an additional little sentiment, added a scrap, and then I finished it off on the front with some enamel dots. So these are the 6 cards that I ended up making in total, the 5 that I made off camera, and then the additional one that we made together on camera today. Such a really fun spring collection for this combination of items. Again, this was the March 2024 sheet load of cards. And again, I'll link my previous video at the end of this one. Again, we had the Paper Pad Club, the Add-On Ephemera, and the Stamp and Die set. And I do have that affiliate link that I'll link down below for you. And again, here are those hashtags. So again, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. Make sure you check out everybody's video by clicking on that hashtag, and you can watch all the videos and get some inspiration for using these new Not Too Shabby products. It's the Paper Pad Club, the Box of the Month, the Stamp and Die set, and the Add-On Ephemera. Thanks so much. Happy crafting.